So you have a paper napkin, which is a really fragile material, but you need to strip away the other layers in order to be able to use it on a project. The first layer comes away really easily, and you're working on the second layer, and you're trying, and you're trying, and you're trying, and you just can't seem to get it to come apart. But what do? You need it. Hi, I'm Ingrid, and I have a quick tip for you today. Let's dive right in. Paper napkins have this cool texture. Basically, what they do is they use a dry embossing technique to help fuse those layers together. Our problem is we need to get them apart without tearing the napkin, because for our purposes, we need that top layer because it's transparent. I have a paper napkin here, and you can see I'm struggling. I stripped the first layer away, no problem. I cannot get this layer apart, and it is driving me crazy. I have tried everything, and it's just not working. But when the plies are thin, it can be a challenge to get them apart. But there's a simple solution to doing it perfectly every single time. Basically, what you want to do is you want to gently rub across that bumpy pattern in one corner, but the key here is to be very gentle. Now you can use your fingernail, you can use a credit card, you could use a bone folder, whatever it is that's going to help flatten that pattern. And once you start to flatten that pattern, you will notice that those edges will effortlessly start to come apart. And that is where you can start to separate your napkin. But there's a catch here. You're only loosening it in one corner. It's still fused all around the rest of the pattern. So the key here to get those apart without tearing them is to go at a very steep angle. You want to just go gently and slowly around your napkin, and feel free to move from different parts, but you'll see that as you go slowly, it will start to come apart. Because if you tear it, kind of defeats the purpose, right? And once you have those layers separated successfully, you can use them in all sorts of ways. That's right, not just the top, but the bottom too. I have a project right here where I show you how to use your napkin in a way where you don't get any wrinkles, and you're not even going to use any adhesive. That's actually the best part. So I'll meet you right there for the next step.